Dear students, today I am going to teach you one question, very important question for SE examination. And this type of question, sometimes they will ask the same question 3 times, 4 times also. They will frequently repeat the questions. And this question has also been already asked 2 times. See, in 2067 for supplementary examination and 2070 for also supplementary examination. See, in 2 times supplementary examination this question has been asked, and some question they have repeated for 4 times, 5 times also. Okay, and then so many times like this type of question has been asked. Okay, and here since this question is long type, either it will ask in 4 marks or in 5 marks, in both. In any you may get this question. Okay, so now let us solve. How to solve this one? So let's see. Let us copy question first of all. 7 to the power x plus 7 to the power minus x is equals to 7 whole number 1 by 7. So here is negative power. While simplifying or solving the indices, okay, we will change this negative power into positive. Always you have to keep in mind. Okay, so if you change this negative power into positive, it will be easy to use. So, or we can write like this: 7 to the power x plus this is 1 by 7 to the power x. To change the negative power into positive, if it is in numerator, shift it to the denominator. If it is already in denominator, shift it to the numerator. So that is the way to change negative power into positive. And then in right answer we have got mixed fraction. Change this into improper fraction. So to change into improper fraction, let us multiply. 7 7s are 49, and then plus 1 is 50. So 50 divided by denominator will be as it is 7. Okay, now look at here. What we have done, if you have got here 7 power x, here also 7 power x, generally we used to take common 7 power x. But here to take common, if your power was this also was in the numerator, we could take common. But here this is minus. If you take to the numerator, it will be minus. Minus and plus, they are not same. We cannot take common. So here see, if it is 7 power x and then plus somewhere 7 power x divided by 2, like this type, then what we can do? 7 to the power x, we can take common 1 plus 1 by 2. We can solve like this way. Okay, both in the numerator we can take common. If both in the denominator we can take common. But if one is in the numerator, another is in the denominator, like this way, then we cannot take common. Okay, so if we cannot take common, then it is quite different type. Now it is in long question, long type it will be. So what we will do here, in this condition we will consider this much as some another variable will consider. So we can suppose let 7 to the power x is equals to a, we can suppose. Then what will happen here? A plus 1 by a equals to 50 divided by 7. Now very simple, see, simple quadratic equation you can get from here, see. Or you can just take LCM over here, a LCM. So here is 1. So a will multiply here, you will get a square plus 1 is equals to 50 divided by 7. Now cross multiply, or the 7 times a square is 7a, or you can write 7 like this, a square plus 1 is equals to 50, and a will be 50a. Okay, now you can shift this also to the left side so that we can make right side 0. There is quadratic equation. Always to solve quadratic equation, right side we have to make 0. Okay, then only we can solve this one. So 7 times a square is 7a square, and the 7 times a is plus 7, we can write here. This 50a, if you transpose this side, it will be minus 50a. So is equals to 0. I think you might have understood this one. Okay, 7 times a is 7 here, 7a square here, and the 50a I'm bringing at the middle. Why? Because we have to break the middle term, no? So a square, a 1, see, look at it. So in the descending order of power we are arranging, okay, in the standard form of polynomial, this one. So let us break this one, see, or 7a square as it is minus 50 we need to break, and then plus 7 as it is equals to 0. So while breaking, product is 7 times 7. 7 7s are 49. So product is equals to p equals to 49. And then sum, see, look at it, here is minus, but these two has same sign, so sum we need to get. Sum equals to 50 we need to get. So now what are the two numbers whose product is 49 and sum is 50? Sum is more than product. Oh, sometimes it will be like this also. See, look at it. Okay, Product is 49, sum is 50. What are the two numbers? We need to solve. So that is 49 plus 1. Look at it. 49 plus 1 is 50. 49 times 1 is 49. Like this. Okay. Now let us open this bracket, or 7a square as it is. Now minus times plus is minus 49, and a times 49, a you can write it. Minus plus minus again. 1 times a is a only. Plus 7 equals to 0. Let us take common in 2 now pair. Okay, first in first 2 if you take common, 7a is common. So you will get a minus 7 7s are 49, and a already taken common. So here is nothing common. So minus 1 common we can take. So it will be a, the minus taken common. So plus it will be. From plus also if you take minus common, it will be minus 7. Okay. So if you multiply this and this, you will get this one. Always you need to check like this. Minus times plus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. Okay. Now, or here is a minus 7, here is a minus 7. So a minus 7 is common again. See. A minus 7, a minus 7 you have taken common. The remaining here is 7a. And here you have got minus 1. Okay, this is equal to 0. Now either, while solving quadratic equation in class 9 you have already learned this one. See. So either a minus 7 equals to 0. See. A minus 7 equals to 0, or a equals to 7. But listen, we are not asked to find the value of a. We are asked to find the value of x. But we got value of a here. So what we will do now? So a we need to replace in terms of x now. So how to replace? Here already we have suppose see. A means 7 to the power x. So here a means, or we can write here 7 to the power x equals to 7 to the power here is 1. So therefore here bases are same. No? Since the bases are same, then we will get x is equals to 1. Power we can equate. Similarly here now, another thing, or now. See, if one factor we have simplified. See, a minus 7 equals to 0 we have completed. Now there is another also, 7a minus 1. Again see, or 7a minus 1 also can be equals to 0. So now shift that side, 7a is equals to 1. So a equals to 1 by 7. So a means again, see, a means again here, a means 7 to the power x. So you can write here 7 to the power x, or okay, don't forget to write this also, is equals to this one 7 power 1. See, in the denominator this is. So if you shift this to the numerator, then 7 to the power minus 1 will be there. Okay. So here also, since bases are same now, since bases are same, so what we can write here? Therefore, x is equals to minus 1. So here 1, here minus 1. Hence, now conclusion you have to write like this. Hence, x equals to, one value is 1, another value is minus 1. You can write like this also, or you can write like this also, x equals to plus minus 1. You can write like this also. Okay. Okay. So two values of x we got in this type of question. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.